Hey, what's up, buddy? I'm Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. All right, so today I want to make a video talking about China stocks, because here's the thing: Chinese stocks have kind of taken a beating. Mainly the tech Chinese stocks. They've really gone down a lot. So I really want to get to that in this video, and I want to talk about why maybe now might be the right time to actually jump into it. Now, if you follow my channel, that I made a video not that long ago talking about why you should not invest into Alibaba. But now maybe things are starting to change, and maybe right now might be the right time to invest into Alibaba. So here we go. Now, when we think about like Alibaba, this is a stock that when it IPO'd in 2014, it actually underperformed of what a lot of people were expecting it to do. I'm not talking about the company itself, but I'm talking about the stock. The stock didn't really perform as well as everybody talked about. I remember a lot of people telling me that, Alibaba is like the next Amazon, and this is a company that is just going to go up and up and up. And they kind of did after eventually, but mainly after like 2016. Now, 2016 was a big year for Alibaba. That company went up a lot, went up a good amount, but now they're going back down here in 2018. Mainly, a lot of it has to do with the tariffs, but we were looking at the start of Trump's presidency. Alibaba went up a good amount, went up like 100%, over 100% of where it IPO'd. And then now, it's basically given all that share price basically back. Now, the same trend wasn't just for Alibaba stock. We're talking about Baidu, JD, Tencent. This kind of had the same effect on all these stocks. They are all kind of, not performing what everybody would expect. I want to also say that this is just my opinion, and this is my bullish opinion on the stocks here, because what I'm going to base a lot of this off is the ETF KWEB. Now, this is the Chinese tech ETF. So if we look at it, it's the same kind of trend as Alibaba. Now, there's about 10% share of Alibaba in this ETF. This would be like a safe market for me if I was going to invest, wanting to really get into Chinese stock. I would actually just invest into this ETF. It's kind of like the safe play. You're kind of invested into all of them: Tencent, Baidu, etc. That's where I would go, and it has the same sort of trend as the Alibaba stock. It went up like 2016, and then it went back down in 2018. If we look at this ETF over 5 years, we can basically put a line through there and go, okay, here's maybe where it bottoms out at, and this is where we should start buying in at. That's what that's the way I look at it, though. I know everybody's a little bit different here, and this is just my opinion, and that's the way I look at when I'm investing. Where is it the right time to start putting my money into something? This maybe possibly to me would be the bottom of this whole Chinese thing. When we're thinking about the tariffs, they're going to recover here soon. There's going to be a deal worked out there with Trump and everything, and I can see all this stuff basically going back up here eventually. And my very, very bullish thesis here is that when the tariffs and everything settles down, these Chinese stocks are going to explode. I think these companies have been doing a lot of things for like massive growth. Like I know Alibaba is becoming a huge player into the cloud business in China, and I know Amazon's in that business, and big majority of all Amazon's revenue now is from cloud. So seeing where these companies are kind of going, and they're still really, really investing in themselves, I can see the Chinese stocks really, really exploding here once everything kind of gets settled there. Disclaimer: I don't own really any tech Chinese stocks. The only Chinese stock that I own is NIO. That is the electric vehicle company. That's the only China stock that I actually own. But I am very interested in purchasing some shares of KWEB and seeing where that goes, because I have a feeling that when everything is done, when everything gets settled with China, that is what I want to have. I want to have a mix of everything that the tech in China has to offer. So that's the video. Share your opinion. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you for watching.